Hello everyone, welcome back to Military Plus. The US Navy is fast-tracking several large submarine-hunting Sea Hunter drones intended to search, find, and even destroy enemy undersea boats, conduct surface warfare missions, fire weapons, and launch electronic attacks. The Defense Advanced Research Project Agency's Sea Hunter began in 2010 as an anti-submarine ship called Anti-Submarine Warfare Continuous Trail Unmanned Vessel, or ACTUV. Following its progress over the course of several years, the program transitioned to Navy leadership. The ship is built to travel up to 10,000 miles while using sonar and other sensors to locate mines and even the quietest enemy submarines. The Sea Hunter's high-frequency sonar can send acoustic pings into the ocean before analyzing the return signal to determine the shape, size, speed, and characteristics of any undersea enemy activity. The initially unarmed prototype, built at a cost of $20 million, is a 132 feet long, uses advanced hydroacoustics, pattern recognition, and algorithms for unmanned navigation to locate and shadow diesel-electric enemy submarines. The idea is to track them, if necessary, over a period of months so they are compelled to stay away from strategically vital areas. She is an unmanned, self-piloting craft with twin screws, powered by 2 diesel engines with a top speed of 27 knots. Her weight is 135 tons, including 40 tons of fuel, adequate for a 70-day cruise. Cruising range is transoceanic, 10,000 nautical miles at 12 knots, fully fueled with 14,000 gallons of diesel, enough to go from San Diego to Guam and back to Pearl Harbor on a tank of gas. Sea Hunter has a full load displacement of 145 tons and is intended to be operational through Sea State 5. Waves up to 6.5 feet high and winds up to 21 knots and survivable through Sea State 7. Seas up to 20 feet high. The trimaran hull provides increased stability without requiring a weighted keel, giving her a higher capacity for linear trajectories and better operations in shallow waters, though the greater width decreases maneuverability. The Navy has been extending testing of its subhunting drone to ensure it can travel autonomously for up to 90 days using sensors and sonar technology to search for enemy submarines, airborne dangers, and undersea mines. Progress with the Sea Hunter has involved replacing a turret on top of the drone with a range of sensors for ISR, surface-oriented technologies, weapons, and electronic warfare systems, Navy developers have said. As technology has evolved in recent years, the Navy has been migrating the Sea Hunter's operational scope from something that is teleoperated to something that can increasingly perform a wider range of functions without needing human intervention.